with another video, and today I'll be showing you guys how I make my synthetic wigs look natural. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications so you don't miss a single video. It's been a while since I reviewed a synthetic wig on this channel, but y'all be asking me in my YouTube shorts and TikTok. So wig caps, look at the curls. This is how the hairline looks fresh out of the box, synthetic. It don't even give synthetic for real. 13 by 4, you can do a middle part. Sometimes you can fake a side part, you guys. This wig is really soft, but it's shedding, you guys. I don't like that much shedding, and the ends are a little bit dry, you guys. It feels dry and rough. This is how the hairline looks before I customize it. I don't like this box hairline at all, but it is pre-plucked. I'm taking the wig out, put it on the mannequin head, slick all the hair going to the back, and make a M shape. This is a widow's peak hairline, you guys. And then I'm going to pull out that hairline just to grade it because you don't want that box hairline. Now I'm going to take my wax stick and my hot comb on the hottest setting. It takes heat very well, like I said. And then I'm going to pull out the hairline and customize it a little bit just to show y'all how to pluck a synthetic wig. For synthetic wigs, I do pluck in the same spot a little bit so it can give scalp because it's too much hair. As you can see, the before and after is very good. It is now looking natural. Here's how it is on my head, and as you can see, it looks way better. No more box hairline. Then I'm going to take the hair and sleek it back before I start cutting the lace off. Now I'm going to cut the ear tabs, and when you do this, make sure you do it slow so everything can be even and cut from eyebrow to eyebrow. Now lift the lace up, and you want to use the Kiss Lace Bond Spray or lace glue. I'm using the level 9 side, and I'm going to spread it with my fingers. Once it's tacky, you want to blow dry it on hot setting in between layers. So if you do like 5 layers, blow dry in between layers on hot setting, of course. And then you want to lay the lace down in sections. When you do this slow, and then take your comb and push the lace into your skin so your lace won't be lifted and laid down.
And packaging in a one night for shows. I'm juggling the floor like the ocean. I'm paddling.
Because the ear tabs is lifting, you want to put your hair in a ponytail, and we're going to literally work on this lace using the Kiss Lace Bond Spray. Spray the lace on top of the lace this time around. When you spray the lace down, get close to the hairline as possible. Now it's time to blow dry everything on cold setting so that way it can dry and be stuck on your head without the lifting.
The things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl, I see.
Once you're done blow drying, use your melting band and keep this melting band on for at least 15 to 20 minutes. But you want to blow dry it on cold setting so it can dry. And then I'm going to remove it, and as you can see, where is the lace? Cut the lace off using your eyebrow razor, but do this carefully so you won't cut yourself.
Tell me my love is your love, baby. If my wood is running, baby, you gon' save me. Cause you give me butterfly in my belly.
Because the lace is literally stuck, you want to lift it up, use your eyebrow razor, but when you lift the lace up, do this slow so you won't have to literally glue it back down or spray it back down.
You amaze me, you amaze me. All the motherfuckers, they really want to play me, but when I day with you, love don't cost a dime.
This is what a widow's peak, so you want to literally use scissors and cut straight down the middle, so that way you can split the lace in half, of course, and then you want to cut literally straight across, so that way you can give that widow's peak. As y'all can see the lace. You want to go back in and fix it with the Kiss Lace Bond spray. Apply it down to the lace. Do it slow so that way you don't have to reapply it. Blow dry it on hot setting. Once it's tacky, you want to go back in and blow dry it on cold setting, so that way your lace can be laid, not lifting at all, and also dry.
Nobody girls have got a with them
A Frontal Queen melting spray. As you can see, the lace is already melted, but with this melting spray, your lace is going to be extra melted. So I'm going to spray it in the cap. Use the Frontal Queen makeup brush and apply it, and as you can see, the lace is already disappearing like magic. Brush all the extra hair out of the lace. You don't want that. It's going to give you a clean wig install. Then you want to go ahead and blow dry it on cold setting, so that way any spray gets on it, your lace is dry. And as you can see, it's giving melted, but add some makeup to the lace so it can give scalp. As you can see, the lace is matching your skin tone. That is what you want. A little bit goes a long way. Do not make your wig install look cakey. And remember, you have to use it on your actual part. So I'm going in with a lighter side. Put your melting band on. I like this melting band because it doesn't give you no ear pain at all.
I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Scaring by the mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying.
And what did I tell y'all? It is giving scalp. Where is the lace? This is how I make my synthetic wigs look like human hair. You want to brush it out, and then I'm going to take my wax stick to sleek the hair so it can get flat. And then you want to take your hot comb. I use the hottest setting because I know that these are high quality synthetic wigs. And when you hot comb your synthetic wigs, do it super slow so your wig can be flat and not look like Humpty Dumpty. This synthetic wig right here is giving, after you customize your hair to your liking, all I did was do a widow's peak, and this is how it looks. No more boxy hairline because we're not doing that in 2026. It comes pre-plucked, but I did the widow's peak and I had to show you how to pluck it a little bit, you guys. It's a 13x4. It takes heat very well. As you can see, this wig is flat. Here are the curls. The curls are giving luxury. For the price, it is $37 on this wig, and you do get some shedding out of this hair. This wig is literally 36 inches long. It is too hot for this wig, but I'm just wear this wig because I want to. And this is the final results.